Okay, cairde, fáilte rómha rais go Féile Virtual Library Líana agus seo ceacht a naoi. Ceacht a naoi. Naoi. Ceacht a naoi. I want to teach you how to say, were you? I was, I wasn't. Are you? I am, I'm not. Will you be? I will, I won't be. So it goes like this. An rótú sa bhaile a réir. An rótú. Were you? An rótú sa bhaile a réir. Sa bhaile, at home, a réir, last night. Now it'll come out like this. Rotú sa bhaile a réir. Rotú sa bhaile a réir. Rotú sa bhaile a réir. Bhí. Bhí. I was, or you can simply say, bhí me sa bhaile a réir. I was at home last night. Bhí me sa bhaile a réir. Ní raibh. Ní raibh. Rotú sa bhaile a réir. Ní raibh. Ní raibh. Ní raibh. Bhí me sa scoil. Bhí me sa scoil. I was in the school. Rotú sa bhaile a réir. Ní raibh. Ní raibh. I wasn't. Bhí me amuigh a siúil. Bhí me amuigh a siúil. Bhí me amuigh a siúil. Okay, I was out walking. Bhí me amuigh a siúil. Right now, bhfuil tú sa bhaile inis? Are you at home now? Bhfuil tú sa bhaile inis? Bhfuil tú sa bhaile inis? Níl. 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 Or tá. Tá. Tá me sa bhaile. Tá me sa bhaile. Tá me ima hí ag an tabla ag gcóirc ar an ríomhaire computer. So tá me sa bhaile, I'm at home. Tá me ima hí ag an tabla. Tá me ima hí ag an tabla. I'm sitting at the table. Tá me ima hí ag an tabla. Tá me ima hí ag an tabla ag gcóirc ar an ríomhaire computer. So ag gcóirc ar an ríomhaire. Agus ag ghéisteacht le séamas. Séamas, ag ghéisteacht le séamas. An méid tú an seo amárach? Here, tomorrow? An méid tú an seo amárach? Ní bheith. Méid tú an seo amárach? Ní bheith. Bé me in London amárach? Bé me in London? I'll be in London. So, méid tú an seo amárach? Bé. Méid tú an seo amárach? Ní bheith. So let's take the three of them again. An rótú sa bhaile a réir? Bhí. I was. An rótú sa bhaile a réir? Were you at home last night? Ní raibh. I wasn't. Bhí me sa scoil? I was in the school. So take it like this. An ró, bhí, ní raibh. There's your question. Yes and no. An ró, bhí, ní raibh. Right now. An bhfuil tú sa scoil? Tá. An bhfuil tú ag an tabla? Tá. An bhfuil tú ag an daras at the door? Níl. Ag an tabla atá me. Ag an tabla atá me. Okay? It's at the table I am. Amárach? An méid tú ag obair? Will you be working tomorrow? Méid tú ag obair? Amárach? Bé. Or ní bheith. So, here's the little drill. An ró, bhí, ní raibh. An bhfuil, tá, níl. Amárach, tomorrow. An mé, bé, ní bheith. An mé is the question. Méid tú an seo amárach? Méid tú an seo amárach? Méid tú an seo amárach? Ní bheith. Méid tú an seo amárach? Bé. So the three questions go like this. In spoken Irish, you'll hear them like this. Rottu, waltu, metu. Rottu, waltu, metu. So were you, are you, will you be? Rotun shin, were you there? Waltun shin anish, are you there now? Níl. Metun seo amárach? Bé. Rotun shin, were you there? Waltun shin, are you there? Metun shin, will you be there? So that's ceacht a naoi. That's lesson 9, and that'll be a useful drill for you to learn. Slán.